What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Let's start this video off with this clip from Michael's of all places, with this clip of Jerry just getting a rug ripped out from below his feet, his spot just jacked right behind him. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys would do in this situation. And then some of you may have remembered this clip from a while back where this driver basically drives up what looks like a curb, but turns out there's actually some parking spots there, only to drive over the real curb and hang a right for no reason. Well, Timothy actually sent in a video from the exact same spot. This driver actually ended up going straight through the intersection. Just so unbelievably pointless in my opinion. I would be very, very, very nervous if I was the cyclist in this situation. And then up next, we got a couple of cutoff clips, starting with this one with this minivan hanging this crazy right turn, even though that they can see pedestrians right ahead of them. I just don't understand why they would make that move. And then a similar maneuver here. This time this driver almost drives into this yellow fence or hitting the corner so fast. Take a look at this driver running the red light, not even paying attention, but I guess you can't fault him too much because at least he's checking his side mirrors. Buddy, you gotta look straight once in a while. Here's a pedestrian who's clearly visually impaired. They've got the cane out and everything. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a reason why you don't block the crosswalk when you're turning right. Unfortunately for this white car, this pedestrian just walks right into the side of his car, unaware that he's even there. I really think that this bridge should go to a doctor because I'm pretty sure they have an STI on their backside. Zhang captures one of the biggest douchebag moves I think I've ever seen on this channel. This pickup truck is going to do a U-turn in the middle of a four-way stop with 3 other cars around him. And the worst part is he can't even do it in one motion. He actually has to do a 3-point turn just to complete the U-turn. Tom sent in this footage where he's actually the one in the red car up ahead. He's going to go through the intersection, and unfortunately for him, this white Civic doesn't shoulder check, changing lanes, and ends up smacking him upside of his vehicle. Yo-Yo sends in a crash video as well. This time he's on a 2-lane left turn lane. This vehicle up ahead fails to yield, which unfortunately for both of them results in a collision. Athol captures this driver just pinning it down the street in Vancouver. And here's the thing, okay? If you're gonna drive like you own a supercar, you better hope you have brakes like a supercar, because unfortunately for this driver, he just ends up smashing right into the back of the car ahead of him. Scary clip for his pedestrian in this clip from Richmond. They're crossing the street, they push the pedestrian, flashing lights, they're crossing the street. This silver car doesn't notice them there and ends up clipping them with their side mirrors. I'm not sure how this happens in broad daylight, but it's Richmond, you know, anything can happen out there. How embarrassing is this, okay? Turning left too early, like I always say, and almost ends up hitting this driver head on. And they have to do basically the walk of shame over the cement median to get onto the other side of the street. 604 TV posted this video on their Instagram. I'm not entirely sure who the original recorder is, but take a listen to the audio.
Stop! Stop! You're dead. Stop! 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 Oh my god. Like, are you stupid? Holy sh**. Dude. Oh my god.
Notice you're dragging us?
We almost died.
Yeah. He's like,
It's
what
you-
is
how
that? He
did that
looked
even-
up like so confused.
How did that even happen? How does he not?
Oh my god. You're just gonna try to lift it off the truck?
Don't even. I hate him.
Yes. Wow.
Oh my god! Stop! Why is he doing that? I can't. Hey, stop! Like, stop! Stop, man! Stop! 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 Like, stop! Do
exactly sure why, but I've been getting a lot of videos like this where people are turning left too early, as well as in this video, there's pedestrians. Like this car couldn't even go anywhere if they wanted to. For this driver driving the wrong way down the street in Richmond, at what point do they tell themselves, you know what, I'm going the wrong way, I should try and do a U-turn, instead of just continuing to drive down the street? So I know this driver is new, but how exactly do you hit a pole making a simple right turn? I'm not exactly sure how this happens. I feel like this driver is trying to film the next Gymkhana movie. The problem is he doesn't realize he's not Ken Block. AFIDY was involved in a hit and run in Vancouver. They explained that there was a pedestrian running close to the sidewalk, which is why they hit the brakes suddenly. Unfortunately for them, this driver didn't notice and smashed right into the back of him. But fortunately for them as well, they also had a rear dash cam, so they were able to capture the license plate of the other driver. Hey buddy, yeah, it's not your turn to go. Only in Vancouver do you get drivers using the bike lane to run a red light. Anonymous captured this driver in a company work vehicle. He was apparently driving up on the shoulder, cutting everybody off. Anonymous honked at him and he got so mad he decided to cut her off instead and record her license plate. And again, he's doing this in a company work vehicle. Here's him flipping her the bird as he's driving off. Just unbelievable. If you blink, you're gonna miss this cyclist. Vanessa recorded this guy walking in between the cars. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think is going on here, because I have no idea. So he gets into the center median, then I guess sticks something on the side of this white car, probably a sticker or something, I'm not entirely sure, and then just walks back to where he was originally. Jason sent in a couple clips for us, starting with this one where this guy uses the left turn lane to not only go straight through the intersection, but to do so running a red light. And then this next clip, this driver basically avoids this, almost hitting this car head on while he's running a red light. And then instead of stopping like everybody else, he just proceeds right through. So I don't work at an auto body shop and I'm not a mechanic, so I'm no expert, but I do believe that this SUV should probably not be on the street right now. Just pay for a tow truck, buddy. So this is a word of advice for all you new drivers out there. Don't end up like this guy. If you follow this sign right here, it shows you to stay on the right of the median. If you don't follow it, you end up like this guy driving on the wrong side of the street. I think the winner of a Darwin Award for this video has to go to this guy in Poco driving the wrong way around a corner. For everybody's sake in this video, I am so glad at least CJ is paying attention to signs out on the road. Not exactly sure how this guy can shoulder check or check his side mirrors, but I really just think that he should just not be a cheap ass and just pay for the delivery fees. And then talk about not shoulder checking. Here's a textbook example of why you should 100% shoulder check at all times. So jaywalkers walking across the street was so 2020. For 2021, they now fly across the street. This is completely unacceptable. Somebody should call up John Horgan and have them change the laws. So long story short, I had a hell of a time recording this video. I've actually recorded this video 4 times and had so many issues where I had to buy new video editing software. So this video was supposed to come out 2 weeks ago, and unfortunately it's coming out now. So I can only do 1 video for April, which means it's time for the Black Box My Car April giveaway for $50 to Black Box My Car. So a big thank you to them for always hosting this contest. And the winner for this month is S.Les Lakowski. So congratulations on winning $50 to Black Box My Car. And also a big thank you as well to Black Box My Car for doing this monthly giveaway. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up for the hell I went through for recording it. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description below as well.